Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Apple fans, get ready, the Mac Mini M5 could be Apple's most exciting compact desktop yet. With the powerful new M5 chip, major design rumors, faster ports, and AI-driven features, this little machine might deliver performance that rivals even the Mac Studio but at a much lower price. In today's video, we'll cover every leak, rumor, and insider detail about the Mac Mini M5, including its specs, features, release date, and price predictions. So if you're thinking about upgrading your Mac in 2025, you'll definitely want to watch this till the end. Apple's Mac Mini has always been a fan favorite. A compact yet powerful desktop that delivers incredible performance at a price far lower than the Mac Studio or Mac Pro. Over the years, we've seen the Mac Mini evolve from its Intel days to becoming one of the first machines to adopt Apple Silicon with the M1 chip. Then came the M2 Mac Mini, followed by the M4 model in 2024, and now all eyes are on the upcoming Mac Mini M5. The M5 version is rumored to bring massive performance upgrades, thanks to Apple's next-generation M5 chip, along with design refinements, faster connectivity, and new AI-driven capabilities. Let's dive into everything we know so far about the Mac Mini M5, including leaks, rumors, specs, features, release date, and price. Leaks and rumors. So, what are the latest leaks telling us about the Mac Mini M5? Design changes. While Apple is known for keeping the Mac Mini's iconic compact design, insiders suggest we could see slimmer dimensions, new materials, and possibly new finishes like space black or midnight. Cooling improvements to handle the raw power of the M5 chip. Apple may tweak the cooling system inside the Mac Mini to maintain peak performance under heavy workloads. Connectivity upgrades. Expect Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6E, and the introduction of Thunderbolt 5 ports for lightning-fast data transfer. Better base storage. Some leaks hint that Apple may finally increase the base storage from 256 GB to 512 GB to meet modern needs. Expected specs. Here's what the rumored Mac Mini M5 specs look like. CPU 12-core Apple M5 chip built on TSMC's 2nm process. GPU 18-core integrated graphics on the base model, with Pro/Max versions possibly offering 30 to 40 cores. RAM, unified memory, starting at 16 GB, configurable up to 48 GB. Storage 512 GB, base up to 8 TB SSD. Ports Thunderbolt 5, HDMI 2.1, USB 4, Ethernet, and possibly a memory card slot. Connectivity. Wi-Fi 7 plus Bluetooth 6E. Operating system. macOS Sequoia, or the next major macOS update. These specs suggest the M5 Mac Mini will be an absolute powerhouse for creative professionals, developers, and even casual users who want a future-proof desktop. 10 key features of the Mac Mini M5. Next-gen Apple M5 chip with 2nm efficiency. Massive GPU upgrade for gaming and pro apps. Improved neural engine for AI and machine learning tasks. Wi-Fi 7 support for ultra-fast wireless speeds. Thunderbolt 5 ports for next-gen connectivity. Up to 48 GB RAM, perfect for multitasking. Base storage bump to 512 GB. Rumored. Compact but better cooling system. macOS optimization for performance and AI workflows. Improved price to performance ratio compared to Mac Studio. Release date. Apple typically refreshes the Mac Mini every 18 to 24 months. Here's the pattern: M1 Mac Mini 2020. M2 Mac Mini 2022, M4 Mac Mini 2024. Following this cycle, the M5 Mac Mini is expected to launch in mid to late 2025, either at WWDC 2025 or during Apple's September/October fall event. Price predictions. The Mac Mini has always been Apple's most affordable Mac desktop. Here's what we can expect. Base model $699, $799 mid-tier, M5 Pro, $1,199, $1,499. High-end maxed-out model $1,999. At this pricing keeps the Mac Mini competitive while still leaving room for the Mac Studio and Mac Pro at the higher end. So that's everything we know so far about the upcoming Mac Mini M5, from leaks and rumors to its expected specs, features, release date, and price. Personally, I think the M5 Mac Mini could be the perfect balance of power and affordability, making it one of Apple's best Macs in years. But what do you think? Will you upgrade to the M5 Mac Mini? Or are you waiting for the next Mac Studio or Mac Pro? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest Apple leaks and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.